Those of you with truck bed campers, if you struggle like I do keeping the truck centered, I basically made up some centering blocks using some 2x6s. Super cheap, super affordable, and should do the job. But here, take a look at what I did. Pretty simple to make. Basically, I just took 3 2x6s, cut a curve in it to match the curve of the truck. Got about 1.5 inches of a flat surface here, and then of course an angle. So basically these are just going to sit, and I use that small little block just to space it up over the bed liner. But this actually is going to sit tight up against here. This is not going to go anywhere, and I have one over there. Basically the camper is 4 feet wide, but the distance between here and here is about 49.5 inches, which gives me about 3/4 of an inch of side-to-side play when I'm putting the camper in. So hopefully the idea is the camper is going to come in. The camper is going to come in. It's going to hit the slope, and it's going to slide down and fall into place. And again, like I said, I'm going to have probably about 1.5 inches total side-to-side play, which is perfectly fine. The goal here is to keep the camper from hitting the side of the truck. As you can see, I've had a couple of instances where we had some damage. The front ones, I did something a little bit different. So up front, I have my header board. This is here simply because I actually need to space my camper this far away from the back wall. Otherwise, the overhang hits my tail light. So this is actually keeping it from going too far back. But what I did with these ones is I did the same thing. I rounded them out, 3 pieces of 2x6, the same slant. But what I did here is that's my factory hook. As you can see, I actually drilled out and reamed out the center. So what this is going to do actually slides right into that, and then that's not going to go anywhere. Basically, I've just put a small little block of wood just to keep it from moving. And I did the same thing over here. The only difference over here, what I did was I did it on the last 2x4, because that is where the wire comes through my bed. That's my camper plug. So this one, same thing, sits in that little notch, and then we got a small little 2x4 that's just going to keep this from kicking forward. So the goal is, when this is up in place, we back the camper in, goes onto these little ramps, and then drops down. They make a whole bunch of different things to do to make sure your camper is centered, but that literally took me about 2 hours, and not even an 8-foot piece of 2x6. It was all scrap wood. So hopefully that helps. I know it should help me. So good luck. Let me know what you think.